Hello guys, welcome to WunderTrading. In this video, we will give an in-depth overview of our platform and will explain its core features. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find tutorials and free trading bots that you can easily run on our platform. Let's start. WunderTrading is a cloud-based platform that allows you to start trading and investing in cryptocurrency seamlessly. Users can copy trade the best crypto traders with transparent track record, trade themselves using Wunderbit's advanced trading terminal, or create fully automated trading bots using Tradingview. How to register? To start trading through Wunderbit, you will first have to sign up on the platform. To do that, click on the Sign Up button. In the form, state your name, email address, create a password, and accept the platform's terms and conditions to register on the platform. Shortly after the registration, you will receive a verification email. Click on the email link to verify your account and complete the registration process. After that, you can log into your WunderTrading account. How to connect the exchange? After the registration, all new users have 7 days of our Pro subscription for free to try the platform and explore all the features. At the end of the trial period, your account will be automatically converted to a free plan. The first step to start your trading is to connect the API from your exchange. The simplest way to do that will be to click on the Connect an Exchange button. If you are not trading on any crypto exchange yet, you can click on the exchange icon at the bottom of the page, and it will take you to the registration page of that exchange. To start the API connection process, select the exchange from the drop-down menu, create the name of your API profile. This name will be visible in the marketplace if you would like to become a public trader or signal provider and attract followers. Then enter your API key and secret that you created on the exchange and click on the Add button. Platform settings. After connecting the exchange, you will be transferred to the Setting tab, in which you can change the name of the account, select the default page that you would like to see after you log in into the platform, and select your time zone. This will be particularly useful when you set up your first bot. You can also write a short description about yourself and select the profile picture. This description will be visible in your public trading profile. In the next tab, you can see the exchange that you already connected to. And if you would like to add another API, this could be done by clicking on the Add New button. In the Security tab, you can reset the password and enable the two-factor authentication, which will improve the security of your profile. To do that, you can click the Enable button and follow the instructions on the screen. The last tab in the settings is Notification. All the notifications will be coming to our registration email address. If you do not wish to receive the email every time when your position is changing the status, you can turn them off. However, we would strongly advise keeping on the notifications about the errors. Now, all is set up and you can make your first trade through WunderTrading. Trading Terminal. To make your first trade, you can either click on the Terminal tab in the menu or on Create a Trade, and you will be immediately transferred to the terminal. On the top of this tab, you will see the balance that you have in your exchange. The left-hand side of the window will show you the Tradingview chart of the asset, and on the right-hand side, you will see the settings for your trade. To create your first position, please select the exchange from the drop-down list. Then you can choose the API with which you would like to trade. If you connected several APIs from the same exchange, then you can select multiple APIs that would participate in the trade. This feature is especially useful if you manage several portfolios at the same time. After that, you will have to select the type of strategy that you would like to execute, choosing between Classic, Spread or DCA. Depending on the choice of the strategy, its settings options will change accordingly. To learn more about each of the strategy types, please visit our help desk. The link will be provided in the description below. Afterwards, select the direction of your trade. either long or short position. Choose the pair that you would like to trade. The list of available pairs depends on the assets that you have in your exchange. For example, if you have USDT in your exchange, then you will only see the pairs with USDT as the quote currency. After selecting the available pair, you will need to choose the order type. You can set either a limit order or market order. If you select a limit order, the important parameter would be the time in force. This parameter will represent time in minutes before the limit order is expired. If the order was not filled after the time that you specified, then it will be automatically cancelled from the exchange. The next important step would be to select the portfolio share. You can either state this as a percentage from your available balance or select the fixed amount in the quote currency. The available balance on your exchange is the amount of funds that you can use which are not locked in any other position. The leverage option would be available for futures trading only. After that, we can select the option Reduce Only for the exit from your position. Select Take Profit levels and determine the stop loss levels. The trailing stop is also available. To know more about these features, please refer to our help desk. The link will be provided in the description below. As soon as these options are filled, you can create a strategy. After that, you will be immediately transferred to the Position tab. Positions tab. In the Positions tab, you can see your open strategies and see all the parameters that you set in the trading terminal. You can also switch between the Classic, Spread or DCA trading tabs on the top of the page to see related strategies. The average P&L represents the difference between the entry price and the current market price in the percentage. The return on investment also takes into account the amount with which you made a trade and will show you the percentage gain or loss on your investment. You can also see the initial risk-reward ratio, the status of your trade, and the timestamp at the end of each strategy. You can see different actions that can be applied to the position. You can either close the position, edit the take profit or stop loss levels, or click on the information icon to see the more detailed stats on your strategy. If you have several APIs in the same strategy, you will be able to see the profile of each API within the strategy. As soon as the strategy is completed, it will be removed from the Open Strategy tab and can be found in All Strategies tab. You can also filter your positions by the status of the strategy, whether it is completed or cancelled. There is also an option to close all open strategies at once. If you press the Close All button, then all open strategies will be closed with a market order. Dashboard. When you have at least one completed trade, you will see the aggregated statistics for your account in the dashboard. The analytics will show you all the API accounts that you have and provide detailed statistics for the aggregated trades that you made on each API profile. You will be able to filter this information by the time interval or minimum number of trades. You can also see some additional stats like the total volume turnover, the profit or loss in dollars, percentage of profitable trades, and number of active bots or followers that you have on this API. To have detailed information on how these parameters are calculated, please refer to our help desk. The link will be provided in the description below. Below the Analytics tab, you will be able to see the portfolio values in either USDT, Bitcoin or Ethereum, and your overall profit and loss statement for the last 7 days, last 30 days, and the overall period. The last section in the Dashboard tab is the portfolio. The portfolio will show you the pie chart with the distribution of assets that you have across all connected exchanges. Or you can switch this to see the assets by each exchange. Creating your first bot. After connecting the exchange and making the first manual strategy, you can create your first WunderTrading bot. To start the process, click on the Create a Bot button and you will be transferred to the bot settings page. This page is divided into two parts. The part on the right-hand side consists of Tradingview alerts details and YouTube tutorials on how to set up bot based on the Tradingview indicator for which you do not have the code, and how to set up the Tradingview strategy for for the Pine script code. We also provide some free Tradingview strategies that you can easily apply on WunderTrading using our code and platform. You would be able to find the link to all of the free strategies in the description below. Tradingview alert details is a vital piece of information that you will have to import in your alert from Tradingview. It is constructed based on the first block from the left-hand side of the current window. To start creating the bot, input the bot name, select the exchange and the API with which you would like to trade, select the time frame. The time frame will primarily depend on the Tradingview chart that you are using for your bot. For example, if your bot is operating on the 15-minute chart, then you have to input a 15-minute time frame in the bot settings as well. The last thing that you have to do in order to complete the alert detail is select the pair that you would like your bot to trade. After that, you need to select the order type. If you would like your bot to enter immediately upon receiving the alert, you will select the market order. However, if you would like your bot to wait for the particular price after receiving the alert from Tradingview, please use the limit order. If you select the limit order, then you can select the deviation of the price for the entry from the entry alert. Let me explain a little bit more on how that works. Assume that you receive an alert from Tradingview to enter a trade. From the point of the alert, the bot will look at the most recent last bid or ask price for the selected asset on the exchange and then apply the deviation from that price to determine the limit price level. If you are entering a long position, then the price for your limit order will be last bid or ask price minus the price deviation. The opposite is true for the short position. Afterwards, you need to select the trading amount, and this once again can be selected as either the portfolio share or the fixed amount. The next important setting for your bot is called multiple entries. This feature allows your bot to scale into the position. In the Tradingview strategy, this is called pyramiding. This function will create an additional strategy every time when your bot receives an alert for the new entry in the same direction. There are two exit options that are available if you are using multiple entries. The first one is to treat each additional entry as a separate strategy with its own take profit and stop loss levels. The second option is to enable the exit all function. If this option is enabled, then as soon as the alert to exit the strategy is received, it will automatically close all the strategies that were opened by the multiple entry. The next step would be to select the take profit targets and the stop loss level. To select the take profit, first determine the amount of the position that you would like to sell once the take profit target will be reached, and then determine the take profit target. You can then set the second and third take profits in a similar manner. In case you set multiple take profit targets, but you would like your bot to stay in the trade until the exit alert is received, you can put your last take profit target abnormally high. For example, you can input the take profit as 1000%. To select the stop loss level, just specify the percentage which will be calculated from the entry price. If you are trading on the spot market, the stop loss is a mandatory field. If your Tradingview script already includes the stop loss level and it varies from one entry to another, you can either leave this field empty if you are trading on the futures market, or make it equal to 100% if you are trading on the spot. The last two features that are available for any bot are trailing stop and DCA. The trailing stop has two parameters: activation price, trailing stop activation, and trailing stop execution. The first determines the level at which your trailing stop becomes active. The second parameter is the actual trailing stop. To activate the trailing stop, the price needs to reach the activation level first, which means that the price has to go in the direction of your trade for the percentage that you input in the activation price field. When the activation price will be reached, this will be the starting point for your trailing stop. If the price will continue increasing, your trailing stop will be trailing in the same direction on a fixed distance, in percentage that you input in the trailing stop parameter. If the price goes down after it reaches the activation price, then the stop will be active and will stay at a fixed distance from the activation price, based on the percentage input of the trailing stop parameter. If the activation price is not reached, then your strategy does not have the stop level. DCA is the investment method in which you buy a certain portion of the asset after the determined price deviation. To use this feature, you need to set 4 parameters. Take profit starting point. The first thing that you need to select is the level from which the take profit target will be calculated. There are 2 options. First is based on the entry order, meaning that your take profit level will be calculated from the entry of the strategy. Therefore, your take profit price target will be fixed. Another option is to set your take profit level based on the average price of the position. This type of take profit will be based on a recalculated average price of the position after each additional entry and will adjust the take profit level accordingly. Therefore, take profit target will be fixed in percentage. So let us now look into the DCA parameters. First parameter to set is DCA order count. This parameter will determine how many entries your overall strategy will have. The next is DCA order price deviation. This is the value in percentage which determines the deviation of the additional entries from the entry price. The DCA order volume multiplier will determine the amount that you put into each additional position. If this parameter is equal to 1, that means that each additional entry will be equal to the initial amount. The extra volume will be added on your position from the second DCA entry. The last parameter is the DCA order price deviation multiplier. This value will increase the price deviation between each additional entry. It is calculated as the price deviation multiplied by the deviation multiplier. After filling all the required fields in the bot settings, set up Tradingview alerts. Tutorials on how to do that are located on the right-hand side of the bot settings tab and will appear in the right-hand corner of your screen right now. Bots tab. After your first bot will be created, you will be able to see it in the Bots tab. Here you can enable or disable your bot, edit the bot, delete it completely, and also check the logs, which shows the status of the alerts. The log file does not show if the strategy was successfully entered, it only shows if Tradingview alert was successfully received and handled by WunderTrading. To check whether the position was actually opened, you need to click on the information icon or switch to the position tab. Marketplace. Another important tab in the platform is the marketplace. Let's look into it in more detail. At the top of the marketplace, you can see your role. The default role of any newly registered users is a copy trader. This is because the copy trader is enabled to explore all the features that are available on WunderTrading. The copy trader can create manual strategies, set up his own bots, and follow other traders. If you will start following other traders, you will also be able to see the number of traders' accounts that you follow and the number of bots that you follow. The marketplace is divided into 2 tabs. The first one is the traders' API accounts. In the table below you can see all the traders who are visible in the marketplace, see their overall statistics for their accounts and select if you would like to follow any traders. You can also apply filters to make sure that you can see only those traders whom you would like to analyze. For example, if you are trading on Binance Futures, select the Binance Futures exchange. Then select the base currency that you have in your account and the minimum number of trades. Press on the filter button and your table will change accordingly. You can then browse through the transparent trade record of each trader you are interested in by pressing the Show button on the right-hand side of each trader's stats row. Inside the trader's profile, you will be able to see the detailed statistics, every trade this trader made, analyze and decide if this trader is a suitable fit for you. If you would like to start following one of the traders, press the Follow button. The pop-up window will appear, in which you will have to select the API account that you connected, with which you will copy trader's position. You can also see the terms of the trader, whether it is free to follow him or you need to make the payment to the trader first, and the period for which you will be subscribed as a follower. After that, you need to choose if you would like to copy all the actions or only the entry and exit signals. If you are copying all actions, then if the trader will adjust the strategy while it is running, for example, edit take profit or stop loss levels, the same adjustment will occur on your open strategy. Unlike all actions, when you select only entry and exit signals, then the strategy edit actions by the trader will be ignored. As soon as you start following either a trader or bot, you can manage your copy trading settings either by clicking on the Manage button or select the Copy Trading tab from the menu. This tab will provide you with the detailed information on the traders and bots that you follow. In this tab, you can renew the subscription for the trader or unfollow them. How to become a trader? If you would like copy traders to follow your strategies and become a signal provider, all you need to do is to select your role as a trader. You can do this by clicking on the Become a Trader button in the Marketplace top section. As soon as you switch your role, the top section of the Marketplace will change. The second block will show the total number of accounts that are following your API profiles or bots. In the last block, you would be able to see the total profit that you made, the amount that was already paid out to you, and the outstanding amount. After that, click on the settings. To select the API profiles that you would like to be visible in the marketplace and to select which API profiles can be followed. For each API profile, you can select if it should be visible in the marketplace, if you allow other traders to follow your account, and if it's free to copy your API profiles. You can input any price and save the changes. To unlock the paid subscription feature, you will need to make at least 20 trades during the past 30 days. Same settings are applicable to your bots. Please do not forget to put your USDT wallet address to which you would like to receive your payouts for copy trading paid subscription. Referrals. We also would like to draw your attention to the referral program that we have. This is a wonderful opportunity to receive a lifetime commission of 20% for every referred member who will purchase any subscription plan. At the same time, the person who is referred will also receive a 10% discount on any 1-month subscription plan for the lifetime. We also have a very transparent payout system. At any point, you will be able to see the total profit that you made from the referrals, the amount that was already paid out to you, and the outstanding amount. Just make sure that you state your USDT payout address. Billing page. In the Billing tab, you can purchase, renew, or upgrade your subscription plan. Compare the plans in the table below, select the one that is appropriate for you, choose the duration of your subscription, and click on the Upgrade button. Please review the details of the plan that you are about to purchase and click on the Pay with Crypto icon. You will be transferred to the CoinGate payment system. Here, you can select the coin with which you would like to pay. And don't forget that you can click on the More Currencies option to select the coin that is most suitable for you. At the moment, the coins with the lowest commission will be Litecoin and XRP. After the payment, you will be transferred back to WunderTrading platform. As soon as the payment will be confirmed by CoinGate, your subscription will be activated automatically. Where to find help? If you have any issues, questions or suggestions for us, you can click on our chat button at the bottom right corner and start the conversation with our support team. At the same time, detailed tutorials on how to set up bots, troubleshoot them, and run the strategies can be found in our help desk. To enter the help desk, just click on the Tutorials tab in the menu. You will be transferred to our help center and will be able to search through our articles on a variety of different topics. WunderTrading is a powerful platform which allows you to automate your trading and enhance your cryptocurrency investment through copy trading. Join WunderTrading today and make your crypto work.